lecture of matrix, we had seen how to find the inverse of matrix of order 2 by 2. Here, today we will find the inverse of matrix of order 3 by 3. One more thing, though the syllabus has been changed, the examples are as it is. Most of the examples are as it is. So whatever we have learnt in previous lectures, same is in new syllabus also. Okay. So this is the first matrix of order 3 by 3 we will take for finding the adjoint of. This matrix is in your new book also. Okay. So first we will find all the cofactors of all the elements. So cofactor of this element we will denote by A11. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 2. In determinant, hide this row and this column, put 3 5 0 minus 1. So minus 1 to the power is plus 1 in bracket minus 3 plus 0, that is simply minus 3. A12, second cofactor of this element. So minus 1 to the power 3 in the determinant, hide this row and this column, minus 2 5 minus 2 minus 1. So minus in bracket minus minus plus 2 minus minus plus 10, that is minus 12. Then A13, that is the cofactor of this element, minus 1 power 4 in the determinant, hide this row and this column, minus 2 3 minus 2 0. Minus 1 to the power 4 means plus 1 in bracket 0 plus 6, that is 6 simply. Now cofactor of this element we will denote as A21. Minus 1 power 3 in the determinant, hide this row and this column, minus 1 2 0 minus 1. So minus in bracket minus minus plus 1 plus 0. Okay, simply minus 1. Second is in this row, second element is 3. So 2 2 minus 1 to the power 4 in the determinant, hide this row and this column, 1 2 minus 2 minus 1. So power even, so plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3. Now cofactor of this 5, that is the place is second row third column. So minus 1 to the power 5 in determinant, hide this row and this column, 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Minus 1 to the power 5 means odd power is minus, in bracket 0 minus 2, that is simply plus 2. Now cofactor of this minus 2, that is A31. Minus 1 to the power 4 in determinant, this row and this column we will hide, remains minus 1 2 3 5. Minus 1 to the power even power, so plus 1 in bracket minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11. A32, minus 1 to the power 5. So hide this column and this row, 1 2 minus 2 5. Minus 1 in bracket 5 minus minus means plus, 5 plus 4, that is minus 9. Now lastly A33, minus 1 to the power 6, hide this row and this column, 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. So plus 1 in bracket 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. Okay. Now put all these elements in matrix of cofactors. Okay. So first we will write in the form of A11, A12, A13, because this is first example of 3 by 3. So I am writing this. Further we will not write like this. 3, 2. Okay, now put all the elements. A11 is minus 3, A12 is minus 12, A13 is 6, A21 is minus 1, A22 is plus 3, A23 is plus 2, A31 is minus 11, A32 is minus 9, and A33 is plus 1. So this is your matrix of cofactors. Now we will write adjoint of A simply. Minus 3, minus 12, 6. Second row minus 1, 3, 2. Third row plus 1. So this is the adjoint of given matrix. Okay. Now come to the example for finding the inverse. This is the matrix of which we have to find the inverse. So first we will denote this as capital A. We know that if a matrix is non-singular, then and then only its inverse exists. Okay. So first we have to decide whether it is singular or non-singular. So first we will find the determinant of this. So determinant of this 1 in bracket minus 3, 0, plus 0, plus 0. Because 0 into anything is 0. So minus 3, which is non-zero. Therefore A inverse exists. Okay. This is the very important work we have to do whenever we want to find the inverse of any matrix. Okay students. Now one by one we will find all the cofactors. So first cofactor is A11. So minus 1 to the power 2 in bracket 3, 0, 2, minus 1. So plus 1 in bracket minus 3, that is minus 3. Then A12 minus 1 to the power 3 in hide this row and this column in determinant 3, 0, 5, minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 in bracket minus 3, that is plus 3. Now A13 minus 1 to the power 4 in determinant hide this row and this column. So 3, 3, 5, 2. So minus 1 to the power plus minus 1 to the power 4 means plus in bracket 6 minus 15, that is minus 9. Okay. Now A21 minus 1 to the power 3. Now hide this row and this column 0, 0, 2, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 in bracket 0 minus 0, simply 0. So A22 minus 1 to the power 4. A22 means this element 3. Hide this row and this column. So 1, 0, 5, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power even. So plus 1. Minus 1 plus 0. That is simply minus 1. A23 minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 5 in determinant. So this is the element. Hide this column and this row. What is remain? 1, 0, 5, 2. Power odd. So minus plus 2. Simply minus 2 is the answer for this cofactor. Then A31 minus 1 to the power 4. This element. So hide this row and this column. 0, 0, 3, 0. Plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is 0. A32 minus 1 to the power 5. This element, this row and this column we will hide. 1, 0, 3, 0. So minus power odd. So minus in bracket 0. So no problem. Only 0. A33 minus 1 to the power 6. In determinant this element. So hide this row and this column. 1, 0, 3, 3. So minus 1 to the power even. So plus 1 in bracket 3. Simply plus 3 is the cofactor. Now write down matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors. Okay, so now we will not write a11, a12, a13. We will directly put the values. That is -3, 3, -9, then 0, -1, -2, then 0, 0, 3. 0, 0, 3. Now adjoint. Adjoint of A is transpose of this matrix. Minus this row becomes first column. 0, -1, -2. 0, 0, 3. Now finally inverse, very simple. Inverse of any matrix is 1 upon determinant of that matrix into adjoint of that matrix. So 1 upon determinant is -3. Adjoint is this matrix. -3, 0, 0, 3, -1, 0, -9, -2, 3. So this is the inverse of this matrix. Here we had found inverse of matrix by adjoint method. In next lecture we will see the applications of inverse of matrix. Okay, the major application of inverse of matrix is to solve the system of linear equations, that is the simultaneous equations. Okay, so till then you practice how to find the inverse of matrices of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Okay, goodbye.